Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC so you don't waste time clicking through menus. Once open, make sure you switch to More Details to see all running apps and background processes. This gives you the context you need. Now visually scan name, CPU, memory, and disk columns to find the high usage or misbehaving process. If a program name is ambiguous, right-click and choose Open File Location to confirm what you're about to end, because you want to avoid closing critical system services. Once you've identified the process, click its row so it's selected, then press End Task. This sends a graceful terminate signal. If the app spawns child processes, switch to the Details tab, select the main PID and choose End Process Tree to remove all related processes at once. Make sure to use right-click properties to confirm the executable path if the name isn't obvious. That prevents accidental termination of system-critical programs. If End Task fails, proceed to elevated options in the next step. If End Task doesn't stop a stubborn process, open an elevated command prompt and run taskl/pid/id/f to force termination. You use /t if you need to remove child processes too. Once done, if the desktop or Start menu misbehaves, restart Explorer. EXE from Task Manager's Details tab to restore the GUI without a full reboot. Finally, if issues persist, reboot and inspect Event Viewer for error logs to find the root cause. This helps prevent repeating the same force.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.